How to get Miui 13 Control Center on Miui 13. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And MIUI 13 beta and custom ROMs based on MIUI 13 have started rolling out and popping up left and right. Now, however, when you install them, you generally do not get the MIUI 13 control center. And how do you get that? Well, it is as easy as downloading the two APKs which are linked in the description of the video, transfer them to your phone or download them on your phone directly. Open the file manager application, and herein go into your storage, go into download folder, install these two apks, system ui plugin.apk, and let us go ahead and say allow file manager to install apks. Install over here and say okay. Once that is done, install the second one, which is your cast apk, and install it. It is installing right now. Select ok, go back to your home screen, and bam, here it is. You now have the MIUI 13 control center on your MIUI 13 device. Now at the time of recording this video, this will only work on MIUI 13 and Android 12, and if you have issues like Xiaomi EU blocking you from installing these APKs, we do have a workaround video which is linked in the description of this video. And there it is peeps, that is how you install MIUI 13 control center on MIUI 13, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.